Are we gonna make it? We've gotta try. With these horses and those stars, it's our best chance of getting you there in time.
Chelsea Roberts? Chelsea Roberts! Chelsea Roberts! Last call for Chelsea Roberts!
Whoa! The competition! We're gonna make it! And we might even have time to change, too!
Let's go, girls. Chelsea has a show to do.
All performers present have now completed their routines. The competition is now closed, and we have chosen a winner.
Wait! I'm here! Chelsea Roberts! Sorry I'm late.
I'm terribly sorry, Miss Roberts, but you're too late. I'm about to announce the winner.
Quick, give her puppy eyes! Please!
Oh. I suppose we can make an exception.
Everyone deserves a chance to compete.
Yes! Thank you! Thank you! Get some every time.
You made it! Chelsea's about to go on. All right, Chelsea!